What's up, riders? 2026 is the year electric bikes hit beast mode, and today, we're diving into the top 5 best e-bikes of the year. Whether you're a hardcore commuter, a trail junkie, or just someone who wants to ride smarter and faster, this list has the bike for you. We've got tech, torque, range, and a few surprises. Let's get rolling. Number 5, Segway Zafari. First up, we have the Segway Zafari. And yes, Segway's reputation has come a long way from mall security duty. This rugged machine is engineered for serious off-road adventures. Its intelligent ride system adapts in real time to provide smooth, efficient power delivery, automatically adjusting performance based on the terrain and your input. Thanks to dual sensors, the adaptive power boost feature kicks in to enhance acceleration and climbing, giving you a seamless, intuitive riding experience. The Zafari boasts a high-capacity battery that can take you up to 88 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for extended journeys, commutes, or weekend trail rides without the constant worry of running out of juice. It also charges quickly, so you can spend more time riding and less time waiting. The bike's cockpit is modern and user-friendly, featuring a large integrated display and a scroll wheel that makes adjusting power, ride modes, and safety settings easy. It also receives over-the-air OTA updates, so your ride stays fresh with the latest software improvements. Security-wise, the airlock function lets you lock and unlock your bike with your smartphone. No keys needed. This smart tech ensures only you have access to your ride, adding a valuable layer of protection against theft. Number 4, Electric Expedition 2.0. Looking for a versatile workhorse with serious power? Check out the Electric Expedition 2.0, a utility e-bike that blends commuter efficiency with impressive cargo capacity. Electric originally launched the Expedition as a budget-friendly folding cargo bike that appealed to everyday families. While simple in design, it stood out for its affordability and high payload rating. The Expedition 2.0 raises the bar with a refined design, upgraded software, a beefier frame, and loads of new features, all while keeping its wallet-friendly starting price under $1,500. It's powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor, paired with an 8-speed drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, integrated lighting, and turn signals. It ships with a 684 watt-hour battery capable of up to 60 miles of range. But if that's not enough, Electric offers 2 enhanced versions, a mid-tier model with dual 624 watt-hours batteries and a long-range option with 2 840 watt-hour batteries, offering estimated ranges of up to 120 and 170 miles, respectively. All versions support a massive 450-pound payload and come packed with accessories like footboards, seat pads, racks, and fenders. In short, this isn't just a cargo bike. It's a powerful, daily-ready machine built for everything from school runs to grocery hauls, with the muscle to match. Number 3, Zero XB. Landing in the 3rd spot is the Zero XB, and let's be real, this isn't your average e-bike. It's a street-legal electric renegade with bold styling and even bolder performance. Ditching the bicycle vibes completely, the Zero XB leans into its motorcycle-like DNA with a rugged steel frame, dual suspension, and chunky 20-inch fat tires. It's built low and aggressive, a visual shout of, "Let's ride." Instead of pedal assist or buttons, you get a full twist throttle for that real moto feel. Tucked beneath the sleek frame is a 750-watt brushless motor that punches above its class, rocketing this machine to speeds up to 28 mph when unlocked. That's nearly mope territory, all without needing registration. But it's not just about speed, it's got torque. Twist the throttle and you'll feel it instantly. Whether you're tackling steep climbs or zipping through city streets, the Zero XB responds with authority. Its 48-volt, 12.5-hour lithium-ion battery gives you between 25 to 40 miles on a charge, depending on your riding style. Go full throttle all the time? Expect around 25 miles. Ease off with some pedal assist? You can stretch that to 40. Charge time is a manageable 5 to 6 hours. This bike is as much about handling as it is about horsepower. The fat tires absorb rough surfaces, the full suspension smooths out off-road bumps, and the powerful LED headlight ensures visibility in low light, bright enough to light up your path or stop wildlife in its tracks. Bottom line, the Zero XB isn't just a way to get from point A to B. It makes sure you get noticed along the way, and maybe even envied. Number 2, Aventon Level .3. Sliding into second place is the Aventon Level .3, a sleek commuter e-bike that transforms boring daily rides into something worth looking forward to. This isn't just a refresh, it's a total leap forward for city riders. At its core is a 500-watt rear hub motor, peaking at 750 watts, delivering smooth, responsive acceleration. You'll cruise up to 28 mph with pedal assist and 20 mph on throttle alone. A torque sensor reads your effort in real time, translating each pedal stroke into perfectly tuned electric support. It feels natural, fast, and fun. Powering it all is a fully integrated 48-volt 14-hour battery, delivering up to 60 miles on pedal assist. More than enough to conquer a full day of commuting and still make a detour to the cafe. It charges overnight, so you're ready to roll the next morning. Zero stress, no worries. The Level .3 is loaded with commuter-friendly features, full coverage fenders, a rear rack for your bags, hydraulic disc brakes for confident stops, and a vibrant color LCD display. It even pairs with the Aventon app to log rides, track your stats, and customize your settings, like having a dashboard and digital mechanic in your pocket. Its comfort-forward design includes a suspension fork, wide 27.5-inch tires, and upright riding geometry for smooth sailing through potholes and rainy roads alike. And with clean lines and subtle styling, it blends right into city life. You'd never guess it's electric at first glance. This is the kind of ride that makes you forget your car keys. Smart, smooth, and seriously capable, the Aventon Level .3 redefines what a commuter bike can be. Number 1. Velotric Nomad IIX. Topping the list at number 1 is the Velotric Nomad IIX, an electric juggernaut that's just as ready for wild backcountry routes as it is for conquering urban chaos. Here's the headliner. This beast packs dual motors, a 750 watts motor in the rear and a 350 watt motor up front, giving you true all-wheel drive. That means next-level grip and torque no matter the terrain. Loose gravel, sand, even snow? The Nomad IIX doesn't flinch. You can even switch between front, rear, or both motors depending on the ride, from energy-saving mode to full-blown beast mode. Power is great, but what about endurance? Its 48-volt, 14.4 amp-hour Samsung battery brings the range up to 55 miles per charge, depending on how hard you push it. That's a full day's worth of exploring, errands, or commuting without battery anxiety. And yes, it's UL certified, so it's safe and built to go the distance. Rolling on massive 26-inch wheels with 4-inch wide fat tires, this bike feels like a tank, but rides like a trail machine. Add in front suspension and it chews up roots, rocks, and potholes like they're nothing. Whether you're hopping curbs in the city or dodging boulders on back trails, the Nomad IIX handles it with calm confidence. Most e-bikes ask you to choose power or polish, tech or toughness. But the Velotric Nomad IIX doesn't force compromise. It gives you everything. Strength, smarts, and serious adventure vibes. There you have it. The top 5 electric bikes of 2026. From wild trails to weekday commutes, there's something here for every kind of rider. Hit that like if you saw your next ride, drop a comment on which one you'd pick, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got deep dive reviews and real-world ride tests dropping soon. Until then, stay fast, stay charged, and keep pedaling forward.